Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in today's video, I have set a table for two elegantly cherry style. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels, and I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now this tablescape is so inviting. So here we have a boxwood ball that I thrifted. So definitely budget friendly. Then we're gonna move on to the centerpiece here. So the pillar candles were from the Dollar Tree. The candle stands were thrifted, as well as that gorgeous ginger jar. Now I wrapped the bottom with some garland, which was also thrifted, and I had DIY'd those beautiful strawberries that I stuck right there next to the ginger jars. Looks beautiful, guys. This is coming up soon. Now on the corner here, the Dollar Tree is selling these beautiful acrylic planters, and I just stuck some eucalyptus in there, and voila, this was an inexpensive centerpiece. Now we're going to move on over to the place setting. All right, so now the napkin was a gifted item, but that watermelon wrap that I have around it was one of the fat quarters from the Dollar Tree. I DIY'd the napkin ring and then embellished with cherries. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love it. Now we're gonna move on over to that center plate. Now this cherry plate I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Then we have these pastel dishware. This was thrifted at the Goodwill. Now we're going to move on over to the charger. This I purchased at Hobby Lobby as well. I love the shape of this charger. And then we have the placemat that did come from the Dollar Tree, and we have the flatware, and that came from Home Goods. Now we're coming up to the wine glass, and this wine glass came from the Dollar Tree. I'm loving the shape of this glass, as well as the water glass, which has a hint or a hue of pink, and that came from the Dollar Tree as well. That red candle that you see there was normally a $3 candle, and at this time that I walked into the Dollar Tree, they were $1. Now I'm starting to layer everything back so that you can see how I did this. Now here we are with thrifted items, items from the Dollar Tree, and a couple items that we purchased from Hobby Lobby, and we have created a gorgeous and inviting tablescape. All right, so we're getting ready to head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.